drag and drop an image. Convert it to Grease Pencil, Path, and finally to Mesh. Use Merge by Distance and Checker Deselect to reduce the vertices. Fix the shape where necessary. Using Loop Tool's Space, we can improve the vertex distribution. Place the logo in front of a mesh. Select the sphere. Hold Ctrl and select the logo in the outliner. Go to Mesh Knife Project. Delete the selected geometry. Clean up the non-manifold geometry using Merge by Distance and Vertex Sliding. Extrude the edges. Finally, add another sphere to control the depth of the logo.